Arrange the following integers in ascending order. Solution. Let us consider these numbers, this group of numbers we have in A. We are to start by writing down the one that has the smallest value. And as I have mentioned, when working with negative numbers, the smallest one has the higher number of digits. So let us see which of these would be the smallest number in this set. We have 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, single, single, 2, and 2. Of all of these, this minus 95 seems to be the highest if it were a positive number. But since we are dealing with negative number, it means this person is missing minus 95 of an item. So in that case, it is the smallest number, minus 95. Of the remaining, the next number that is greater than minus 95 in this case would be, we have here, we have written down minus 95. The next one will be minus 78. After the minus 78, we have minus 41. You know how it is done now, so let's go through the rest. We have minus 36, followed by minus 28, and then we have minus 16, then minus 5, and finally minus 4. We have now arranged these numbers from the smallest to the largest. Now to B. Identify now which of these numbers will be one of the smallest value. We have 8 different numbers here. Which of them has the smallest value? We have negative 804. So we start with that. Followed by minus 800. Followed by minus 789. And after that we have minus 670. And then minus 428. Of the remaining numbers, we have minus 305, then minus 280, and finally minus 200. Do not be confused that the number 200 in this case is higher than 804. Like I have said, when dealing with negative integers, the one with the bigger number would be the smallest one. That is, if we are talking about items here, this person is missing 804 items compared to this one that is missing just 200. So you see how minus 804 is really smaller than minus 200. Try this with other numbers around you. Thank you.